Thanks for purchasing our Warthog platform ladder wheels. These spring-loaded wheels turn our standard Warthog platform ladders into a mobile platform, so it can be used for order picking or just for simply moving around site a bit easier. We're going to show you how to attach these now. So in the pack you'll get the 4 wheels and then the fastenings to attach, and you'll need an Allen key set to put this together. It's easiest to install the wheels when the platform ladder is lying down. I'm going to use this table. One little note to remember, our spring-loaded wheels for our Warthog platform ladders come in 2 different sizes. For our larger models, we have a larger spring, so make sure you've got the correct model for the platform ladder you're using. That is all available on our website to tell you which spring wheels for which ladder, so check that out before you purchase. We're going to start by simply getting our bolts. Folding them over. Very simple assembly, they simply bolt on like so. And we tighten with our Allen key. The remaining spring wheels are attached the same way, so simply bolt them on and you are good to go.